Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal with SMCI Stock Analysis. SMCI stock has been under pressure since past few months. If you take a look in last 6 months, SMCI went down about 79%. And I personally lost big in SMCI. Probably you guys may be in the same situation. Either you have lost money or stuck in SMCI stock. But surprisingly, SMCI stock went up about overall 18% on Friday. And the reason for this surge is this news that says SMCI plans to submit a plan by Monday that would allow it to continue trading on Nasdaq stock market. So as you probably know that November 16th was the last day for SMCI to either submit the annual report or submit a plan by November 16th. So November 16th was Saturday, so the latest they can file is Monday, November the 18th. And some sources are telling that on Monday, SMCI is planning to submit a plan about their annual report filing. And that turned out to be a good news for SMCI stockholders. Now we can take a look if SMCI has the potential to go further up on early this week, probably Monday and Tuesday. Let's talk about it. So let's start with the financials. So if you take a look the financials overall, I put together the summary of the data for last 6 or 7 quarters. So if you take a look last few quarters before the last quarter, things were overall okay. Revenue was going in the right direction, the upward direction, and also the profit margin percentage and other margin percentages were going in the right direction, including the EPS actual, free cash flow per share was going up each quarter, debt to equity ratio was going down or either flat. But in this quarter and sometime in August, also revenue was up, but only thing they missed was the EPS, right? But the last earnings report was very disappointing, right? They missed the revenue projection and also they missed the EPS as well. And also they published the earnings report without any auditor looking into it, right? You probably know that Ernst and Young already resigned before SMCI published their quarterly report on November 5th. But these numbers, even if they're published, but market at this point is not going to trust on these numbers unless they have a backing from some auditors, right? So in the plan on Monday, SMCI also going to mention what is their strategy to hire new auditors so that they can expedite the publication of the annual report. So if we take a further look on EPS, as I mentioned before, last 2 quarters were not so great for SMCI. They missed the earnings 16% in the latest quarter, and 1 quarter prior they missed about 23% from the expectation. And the next quarter, the earnings expectation is 0.61. And back in 2023, we did not hear anything wrong about SMCI financials reporting. So let's take a look what was SMCI stock price sometime in November and December in 2023. So you see that in November and December SMCI stock price value was below 30, was probably between 24 and 28 in November and December overall, right? You see here, the 26, 27, 30, and early November was in 27, 28 also, right? So this means that, if we hear good news about SMCI on Monday, meaning that if SMCI is able to submit a comprehensive plan on Monday, and if that plan gets accepted, then probably SMCI has more potential to go further up. So I'm guessing SMCI has the potential to go further up until the stock price value of about 28 or 29 if everything goes well with SMCI on early this week. On the other hand, if SMCI does not submit a plan on Monday, or that plan does not get accepted, then SMCI can go further down, and there is no doubt about it. But the chances of SMCI submitting a plan on Monday is very high. So, with that being said, my gut feeling is on Monday, SMCI stock should further go up. Again, that is my feeling. I'm not 100% sure at this point because the way SMCI has been doing in past few weeks, nobody can predict what SMCI would do in the future, right? So that was my assessment regarding SMCI for this week. I just wanted to share my findings and my analysis with you. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more in the next video. Take care.